Hello and Happy New Year. I'm just gonna go over what I've done this evening. So what I've done is created a faux scripting language which looks like this. So each script has a name and we've got a map of them. So we map that name to the list of lines of command. These lines are turned into just a vector of strings that we keep in memory, so I can debug it as well. It'll be binary later on. There's a very rudimentary parser that looks up certain keywords. It works out what the command is, it works out what the code is, it works out any other details of the command that we've got. And we've got sleep, key down, key up, key press, key sequence. So they're the ones we've had so far. It will have mouse click at, so it automatically shifts the mouse position and clicks it within the client, or it will have mouse down where the mouse currently is, move to, that will hopefully move the mouse to somewhere, and mouse up. This will let me drag and drop things to set things up. That's for the, as in the previous video, the macro setting up of stuff. It then just uses a tokenizer and then runs whatever command we've got. So we've currently got sleep, key press, key down, key up, key sequence. Now, this is all loaded automatically, so there is a single place that we get all the scripts, and I've said that hash will reload the scripts. I've actually got two sets of the scripts. I've got the one that's actually stored on the server, and I've got one that's actually the live one copied into the client. So we've already got this account, which is the account you see here, and we've only got this script in memory. So if I change this to 8.7, save, reload the scripts. So what this will do is hold down W for 3 seconds, so she'll run forward. It will then hold down turn left for 800 milliseconds, so she'll turn almost all the way around, and then it will press F12, which opens your main bag, and wait 2 seconds, and then it will close the bag again by pressing escape. So let's watch that happen. So she runs forward, turns, the bag opens, the bag closes. Let's change that. So say 87 is forward, 83 is backwards. Let's make her go backwards. So we've changed the script. Well, I need to have something else, needs to have focus. Reload the script, run the script. So she's now walking backwards, look. So she's actually walking backwards. Well, so, oh, I've not changed that as well, look. So she was continually walking backwards until I pressed escape. So if I make them both F3, reload, press escape myself, she's going to walk backwards, turn, and done. Do the same again, walk backwards, turn, done. Oh, I've actually broken that script. So if I reload the scripts, start again, she goes backwards, turn, opens bag, closes the bag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have instead of, so the next thing I'll do is, instead of having lots of these here, I'll have the one which is the one, and I'll have another one which is pause the boxer, so it will pause this loop and unpause. So I'm going to have those probably be the brackets, the tilde, the braces. So left brace will pause, right brace will carry on. Hash reloads the scripts, and then I will probably want a binding. So what I'll have is I'll have a binding which is the key I press. So let's say home brings everybody back to action bar 1, presses escape, stands you still. So I will press 36 will be my binding. It will point to a script that says go inert, and what go inert will do is literally just stop the character. It'll escape, step, jump, whatever. Just jump on the spot maybe. So just press space and they'll just jump. So I'll stop casting, we'll move them away, backwards a bit or whatever. Something neutral, just to stand you still, and then we'll start to layer these things up. The interesting thing is I'm going to have so that scripts can call other scripts. So this script happens to be called run sum. So run sum might have so I'll show you what's distracting me in a second. This is my erstwhile assistant. This is Max. And Max is, not only is he fast asleep, he's got his tongue stuck out. He's sticking his tongue out and he's like dreaming. He's dreaming that he's drinking or eating cream or something. Anyway, so yeah, the scripting system is more or less in. It's now a binding system. Happy New Year. The Empire will strike back. See you all soon.